Hi, my name is Michelle and I'm from Merritt, BC. I am reviewing the For Living Zero Gravity Chair, and one of the ways I put it to the test was by using it. You sit down in it, it's actually pretty comfortable. It's your standard zero gravity chair. I love this neck pillow. It's fantastic and it's adjustable all the way up and down on the back of the chair. I love that it has these type of elastics. You can lie right flat. Now, I do have one issue though. By about the third time I used this, the little locking mechanism broke. And I'll zoom in a little bit on that for you here. I'll show you it. This part here, where you put your finger in, split, as you can see. Right there, it split. So it does make it rather difficult, because you can pinch your finger in it. So, otherwise I like it. I would recommend the For Living Zero Gravity Chair to friends and family.